Every year, life sciences companies spend millions of dollars on patient support programs. Yet very few patients are using them. Today's patient support ecosystems are complex, with multiple service providers, making it difficult for patients to navigate and challenging for biopharmaceutical manufacturers to gain visibility into the patient's journey. Mercalis is here to change that with our end-to-end interoperable support platform that provides tools and resources to help patients initiate therapy and manage real-world challenges every step of the way. Mercalis' Salesforce Health Cloud platform is built on scalable, innovative technology for delivering comprehensive and integrated patient support programs, engaging stakeholders across multiple channels. A single unique patient identifier helps track a patient's journey across all services, ensuring no one slips through the cracks. Real-time data insights and efficiencies make it easier to see what's working and what's not, and where patients and stakeholders need additional support. Starting with enrollment through coverage determination, including clinical support and daily health management, Mercalis delivers highly personalized and curated health experiences that help patients initiate and continue their prescribed treatment. Mercalis' comprehensive suite of innovative services delivers holistic support along the patient journey, ensuring access and affordability for the treatment they need. Contact Mercalis to learn how we can enhance your patient's journey using our innovative patient platform.